Welcome to Voice Crypto, where we talk altcoins. You know, Shiba Inu is the most popular cryptocurrency right now, and with that comes an influx of news. And one particular piece of news that caught my attention is that partnership with Coincloud. Coincloud is the largest producer of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency ATMs across the world, and the partnership states that they will list Shiba Inu within 4,000 ATMs. Is this bullish news? Well, we're going to find out. We're going to visit this ATM and see how exactly to buy Shiba Inu. If that sounds interesting, make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe, and tick the little bell for more altcoin videos. So after looking up the location, it brought me here, a liquor store. So we're going to go in here and see if we can buy Shiba at our local liquor store. So the very first thing I noticed is that the Bitcoin ATM is right next to the regular ATM. So somebody just cashing out their check can be curious and buy them some Bitcoin right next door. Very amazing to see this. Mass adoption is already here. So at the bottom of the BTM, you have your fiat slots so you can feed your cash into the BTM. And you have the display of Bitcoin's price, which is at a premium of $69,000. You just hit the touchscreen to start. You read the terms and conditions. Of course, disclaimers that cryptocurrency is highly volatile. You hit accept. It has no KYC, but it does ask for your phone number. So you enter your phone number. It sends you a verification code. You enter that verification code onto the BTM. Then you're prompted to buy your Bitcoin. You can also sell your Bitcoin, and you can also view altcoins, which is what we're going to do because we want to buy Shiba. You get another prompt to declare you're not money laundering and nobody sent you to buy cryptocurrency for them. Now you're ready to buy some altcoins. And this is very disappointing. Not the fact that there's many cryptocurrencies, but the fact that the Shiba partnership made me believe that it would be exclusive to the BTM. So I typed in Shiba, found it, and I also found dead coins like Substratum. So now I'm at the belief that that partnership is not as big as I thought, because you can literally buy any coin, even dead coins, through Coincloud's BTM. So I hit buy Shiba, wait for the loading screen, and another disappointment is the price. You can only buy Shiba if you buy at least $331 worth. And then it gives you another prompt to hit accept terms and conditions. That is highly risky. Once again, then you're prompted to scan your digital wallet. If you don't have a digital wallet, Coincloud will send you a link to download theirs. Now you can insert your cash. Of course, I am not going to buy Shiba Inu on a downtrend and at a minimum of $300. So I'm going to use Bitcoin for this demonstration, where you can place any amount. I'm going to use $20. I don't blame Coincloud for the Shiba Inu premium, but I do blame Vitalik and the Ethereum gas fees, which is fleecing us out of our money every single day. That's all there is to it. And in a couple of minutes, the Bitcoin will be in your wallet and you're ready to just turn right around and buy you some liquor from the liquor store. All in all, I do think this is good for mass adoption. Somebody curious about cryptocurrency can buy other coins like Cardano, Polkadot, and maybe even get their hands on some Bitcoin, but they have to avoid Ethereum tokens because the gas fees are too high and these BTMs have to make money. And because of the high fees and the fact that they have to send these tokens with the high fees, the premium is being passed on to you. But anyways, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.